Hello, guys. Good morning. Actually, I'm not the boss. First, you have to tell you. Uh, there's a small, what do you call it? Small repair in my house that is in my floor. So, in myself, I'm doing that repair. I tell you how to fix it. Right. So, I have collect the Chemifix. This is the Chemifix, and I have collected some stones. These are the stones. I'll tell you how to fix it. Yeah. First, you have to wear the hand gloves. This is I was wearing hand gloves and put it into some Chemifix. You can apply it to that stone in here, and okay, my work is done. Now we have to keep some hours to cool and dry. Then after that, you have to cut into the sandpaper. After this is the recovery. Right. Thanks. Thank you.